Old carpet, new carpets. It's gonna make a difference, that's for sure. What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode, I guess. Yeah, it's been a while since I have been uploading. I had a bit of COVID, had to get through all that. Wasn't too bad though. I had it very mildly, just tired all the time, but got over it. Now I'm back in business, and yeah, I'll start getting out there and fishing again. I'm just other thing I wanted to do was to upgrade my boat. My carpets on my boat were looking a bit dull. Yeah, this is the old carpet. It's not bad, but it was just hard. And now I got this, which is a much softer carpet, just for little red. I think it's gonna the color to the red is gonna look awesome. I've already put the new floor mat down, so I'm gonna start with each hatch, get them cleaned down and cut them out. So yeah, that's gonna be my little to do in the next few days, is doing the carpets and just getting my boat up and proper again, because she hasn't been used for a while. I've been fishing off Zaid's amazing boat, but I need to get out on Little Red a good few more times before I have to let her go. But yeah, while I'm doing that, I'm enjoying fixing her up and giving her a few new licks here and there. I'm going to do a little wrap on the boat as well. Cool, well, let me carry on with it. So as you can see, clamped it so that this lip glues down on the top with the deep cycle battery. And I'll do this side afterwards and then that side afterwards, and then one or two trims, and then we're done with the back petrol lid. Sorry guys, I know it might be a little bit dark in here, but finished off this front carpet. Just gonna bolt down all the bolts, done all the pop rivets on this clip. Everything's flattened out. Yeah, and then the next step will be to just give this whole boat a good clean up, nice little polish. One or two more tightening of screws on the seats there, and all the hatchets at the back are done. It's looking very nice. And yeah, it wasn't very hard, it wasn't very expensive to do myself. I bought 5 meters of carpet, which I think was too much. It cost me $580 or something like that, 5 meters. And then 2 big cans of alkaline glue. 2 of these, which was $250 each, so another 5, so 1,000, call it 1,100 rand, and 2 or 3 days of my time, and it's worth it. It's looking flashy again, little red, and breathing. Anyways, move on to the next step.